I'm going to ask you a question. You have understood what is a subset, right? And so far I gave a subset for a set of n elements. When you say n elements means n is going to be some whole number. It will be natural number, so it's going to be finite. So I discussed the subset concept for a finite set. Then we saw that there are number of subsets, it's 2 to the power of n, like that. But what would be the subset of an infinite set? This is usually not much discussed. This is very important. Clear? So can you give me one infinite set? And another subset out of that. Okay, natural number is that? Okay, infinite set, right then. Oh, natural number is a subset of whole numbers. Correct, very good. When? Or 2-digit numbers is a subset of natural numbers. Or you can say the integers is a subset of rational numbers. Okay, these are all fine. This is, you are talking about the numbers. But can we even think on geometry? The subset concept in geometry. I told you like about a line. If I'm going to call this line as L, and the entire this plane is P, right? P is a set of points in the plane P. L is a set of points in this line, right, on the plane. And I can say L is a subset of, and this is the notation, it's just like C actually. Won't look like C, it should bend. So this is the symbol for subset. So the set of natural numbers is a subset of set of whole numbers, and both are infinite. Set of integers is a subset of rational numbers. And set of points on the line is a subset of set of points on the plane. So one infinite is a part of another infinite. Same thing if you are going to have a circle, that set if you call it as something like K, that is also a part of the plane. Are you able to understand?